Zonatla Christian Network has organized a 3 days patriotic fasting prayer on the 13th, 14th and 15th, which is specially dedicated to the crisis in Manipur. So we would like to invite all the viewers to take part in this prayer. As we all know that Manipur is in turmoil, which is a result of the ethnic cleansing carried out by the Meitei communities against the minority Zonatlak tribals. And it has taken a toll on us. Let me remind you that around 111 people have lost their life, around 197 villages have been burned down, around 357 churches have been burned down also. And besides that, around 7,000 houses have been looted, ransacked and burned down. So people are homeless and they are now seeking refuge in the relief camps which have been set up in Churachandpur and Kangpokpi district. And there are about 204 relief camps and around 41,425 internally displaced people are there in these relief camps. So I would like to plead earnestly to us to unite and pray.
Zonatla Christian Network in Manipur Rama Boyna le Muntina Boyna Tok Tatan Nithum Chung Lalnu Estherin Jomhao Trong Trai Ahoi Hot Angin Lau Theng Tur Nis Zulai Nisom Patumatranga Nisom Panga Sang Ni le Som Ni Patum Hian Ruat Ani a He Huna Trong trai na Jomhao trong trai lau tel thâuตัวle lau join thâuตัวrinมีzong som in ni he hun hi ani lo mi zong na thak te kan tran rol na hun tur chu Manipur mi puin in trong trai na nga in kan som chawani
Zonatla Christian Network in Manipur gamboy na to kisaina ni som le ni thuma kipana July som le thuma kipana som le ngatan esterina agam mite swatang na dian ngor thum na pon bangin thum na akisoma munchi mualchia Zonatla singtang mi teng ye yuna nom na muncha to na join din ka hon chia lu hi meite te na in ilo biakin ten hal sakwa isangam te mulki moi takinon tha sakwa yai tan bang chubanga yai tan paila dia chi Manipur din mun ki theilo hi manin na thum nau tu taka kapoi mo pen wai manin ko pe ma yai thum na tel din kon chia lu hi ki pa ke
Zonatla Christian Network in Manipur rambuina le Zonatla mun tina hai an boina Nithum sung lalnu estherin Zudami pui hai san sukan theina dinga trong China rot angkhan July ni som pathumai thokani som panga chen hi trong China hun rotania chu huna chun iun na huna lozom venge ngei ding kan hung fil cheu Manipur boina hin mithi zale som pakhatan ta khuza som kule pasari ro hangena ta big income za thumle som nga paku ro sitin ta boka ralza mi sing li sang khat jali som ni le pangan ta relief kem khom izani le pali lai lo ta chu le chun tu huna ding hinan no mani ei ni zo na tha khai ta dinga thangro la ding hun chu voisun in Manipur tlang ram mi haim I trong China an lo hak singani kalomi
Zonatla Christian Network hon Manipur gamboi zi in Nithum sung Anngol Taona gamlung se zi in ahung thlungding July 13 akona 15 Jan 2023 ting hijitaw na ahi pangkhom dingin kahinti movie tu hilau ham thingthlang mi te ipan khom na diu chu Manipur a cheng tribal mi hon na tauna ka hin ngai cha ovi pa ki pa ovi